Good afternoon. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Quick salad today. Just having something to throw together. It's a creamy cucumber salad. All you need, a heaping tablespoonful of mayonnaise, 2 teaspoonsful of red wine vinegar, half a teaspoonful of milk, a dash of salt and pepper, and of course your cucumber and a tomato. You need your cucumber peeled and sliced real thin, and your tomato cut up. So let's just get started right quick. I've already got some mayonnaise here, so I'm just going to go ahead and use what I've got here. We want a heaping tablespoonful of mayonnaise. I guess that's about as heaping as I can get. 2 teaspoonsful of red wine vinegar. Half a teaspoonful of milk. I do use 2% milk. Half a teaspoonful of milk. A dash of pepper. And a dash of salt. Whisk together. And we need a large cucumber. You need it peeled and thinly sliced. I think I cut that one a little bit too thick. There we go. My mom used to make a cucumber salad a lot, but we lived on a farm, so we had a lot of veggies. I'm just going to put these right here in this bowl right quick to get them off my little cutting table board. And we're going to have a tomato. After you get this done, you need to set it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Overnight will make it that much better. But this is also good to eat right by itself. Or if you're having just a regular salad, this is very good to put in your salad. And it is so easy to make. It's just unreal how easy to make it is. Okay, let's see, there's my... All I have to do now is put the tomatoes in there. The cucumbers. And just stir around. Stir it and coat all your cucumbers and your tomatoes. And make sure that you have got all your cucumbers coated. And put it in your dish to go in your refrigerator. You could actually leave it in the dish if you wanted to that you've made. And that is a creamy cucumber salad. I like it right by itself, especially if you're having like hot dogs or something. It's like a little side dish. But if you're having a salad, it is also good in your tossed salad. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. This is just a quick video of a creamy cucumber salad for the summertime, or for any time, but for the summertime. And it's nothing but mayonnaise, red wine vinegar, milk, and a dash of salt and pepper. I hope you enjoyed this little video, quick video. And have a nice day, and come back to see me. And again, Around the House with Kay and Tom. Please subscribe and join my channel. Catch you next time.